Hi, this is Ken Lau. In this video, I'll share with you one of the important things to in the dashboard is to create a KPI, Key Performance Index. So, what is it that you're most concerned in your list of data? So here I have a list of HR data. Okay, so one of the key performance index, the key information I want to know is the number of the total people, the total headcounts, right? So because this is strategic, it is about cost. It is also about growth, whether we are growing or we are not. So your C level will ask you that question. So how do you tell, right? You can go to the data and then here one way is that go here and then highlight this and then highlight this and then go down there and see, oh, that's 89, but it's not 89 because you need to minus the full name. Okay, so yeah, with that information you can tell boss, oh, okay, it's 88. Okay, so what's the next question? They will ask you that which uh, which department has the highest headcount? Let me check. I want to go to the so one of where is that you go to here and then do a filtering and then you check count how many. Okay, let's look at that. Oh, it's 15. That's maybe 14. So you put there 14, and then the next one is that you go to the next one, right? So that will be a lot of time wasted, right? So how can you do it much faster is that you use Excel function, right? So head counts, we use the count A, and we have already named that table to be a full name and so on, right? So how do you do that? It's just you press this and you press Control Shift F3 and you come to this create name, right? And you check on top row as your name, then you get this name as the column of value here, right? So now let's compare here. So once you have this thing, you type in count A full name for total head counts, and here you type in a max for this list here. This is a head count, but how do you get this head count, right? You use the count E function on the department column and then you check which department for each item here, and finally you want to know the highest headcount departments. You use the index function. Based on this, you go this thing and you do an index function, and that's about it, right? So once you have that, you can change it to here and put it here. So let's say here I have another one here. I just put it here and say highest. Let me just change that to. Oh yeah, I can't change that. Okay, press F2 and F2 and then you press equal sign and go to the calculation tab and you click on this one and enter, and that is the highest one, and you can go to not just that, but you can change the color. Okay, highest, and go this one, and again I want to use this again one more time. Just insert a header will do, right? So press F2 equal sign, click on the here highest headcount department is this one and enter. Okay, highest headcount department is operation type, right? So and the boss will definitely ask you, hey, what's that? How many people are there in this highest cable? So of course you can do the same thing again for that is 70, right? So highest. So what else you want to show with the data is your choice, right? But do understand that you need to do research on this concept called CRAP rules, right? CRAP rules is the concept to design your dashboard beautifully, right, and consistently with alignments, and it's help users to identify the key information easily. And thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus love you.